Samsung announced today that its line of 4K LED theater screens is now called Onyx, which is meant to evoke the image quality of its pure black capabilities. The screens, 6 of which currently exist around the world, have a resolution of 34 feet and 4096 x 2160, providing a richer and sharper image than the standard 2K projection. They are capable of displaying 2K, 4K, 3D and HDR images. Last week, Samsung officially unveiled its first U.S. location for Onyx at Pacific Theaters Winnetka in Chatsworth, California, just north of Los Angeles. While the screen is smaller than standard projection screens from 45 to 65 feet in most movie theaters, the Onyx LED monitor takes advantage of the fact that it is not based on projection technology. It is essentially a giant 4K television screen integrated into a movie wall. Samsung says it works with theaters to design seating arrangements and the personalized JBL sound system to maximize the viewing experience and audio quality. And unlike the projection, the screen also works well with partial light, which Samsung hopes will make it a viable option to dine on theatrical experiences and even esports and other live game events, as viewers they will not need to sit in complete darkness. In the theater, the sound system was fantastic and the seats much more comfortable than your standard rate. But it's not obvious that most viewers can tell the difference when it comes to unprocessed visual quality. The tickets to watch movies on the Onyx screen will probably only cost a bit more than a standard movie, similar to the IMAX or XD prices.